Hello everyone, we have here a nice algebra question. If x to the 15 equals 10 and x to the 12 divided by y is 20, what is 1 divided by x cubed y? So this is a nice algebra question, and how are we going to solve it? First, if you notice, you got these two conditions right here. X to the 15 is 10, x 12 divided by y is 20. Do you see the relationship of those two equations? This is x to the 15 and this is x to the 12. So if we consider this as the first equation and this is second equation, so how are you going to solve it? And to get the value of this one right here, 1 over x cubed y. If we scrutinize the relationship of these two equations right here, we can convert this x to the 15 to x to the 12. And that the equivalent of that will be substituted to this, x to the 12. Right? Let's do it. From the first condition, first equation on top, x to the 15 is equal to 10. We can write this equation as, so that is x to the 15 equals 10. If we divide this equation with x cubed, that would be the resulting value will be x to the 12, right? So let's divide that. So x cubed, let's divide it both sides of the equation. Simplifying this equation, so this is now x to the 15, and we're transposing this to the numerator from the denominator. That will become x to the negative 3 exponent, and right hand side is 10 divided by x cubed. So from here we use the negative exponent rule. That is 1 divided by a raised to exponent m is equal to a raised to negative exponent m. So transposing to the numerator from the denominator, the exponent will become negative. From positive to negative, if this would be negative, move it to the top, to the numerator from the denominator, it would be positive exponent. So the reciprocal of the sign of the exponent will be the end result. So simplifying our equation, if you know this, they have the same base, so all we have to do is just add the exponent, right? So this is now x to the power of 15 plus negative 3 equals 10 divided by x cubed. So in here we have just applied another exponent rule, that is exponent with product rule. That is a exponent m times a exponent n is equal to a exponent m plus n. So we ended up adding the exponent. Alright, so from here now on our equation, so x to the 15 is now plus, then negative 3, that is 15 minus 3, is equal to 10 divided by x cubed. And simplify this further. So this is now x to the power 15 minus 3 is 12. So x to the 12 is equal to 10 divided by x cubed. So we have now this x to the 12th power. And the second equation from the beginning on top, where the numerator is x to the 12, then the denominator is y, and the whole thing is equal to 20. Let's see that. So this is what I'm talking about. We already have the 15 converted to x to the 12. So all we have to do is substitute that value to here on this, considering this is the second equation. All right. So we have here the second equation now. X to the 12th power divided by y equals 20. And we have just found the value of this x to the 12, where x to the 12 was, it is 10 divided by x cubed. And all we have to do is substitute this value to this equation. So the new equation now is, so that is x to the 12, this value. So 10 divided by x cubed, all divided by y. Or we can say that y over 1. And this is equal to 20. Simplifying this equation further, if you know this is division, and we can convert this division into multiplication. So this is now copy the term on top, the numerator, that is 10 divided by x cubed times this one right here. We get the reciprocal, so multiplied by 1 over y, and this is equal to 20. So from here now, if you notice, this is 20 and this is 10, so we can reduce that one right there now. So cancel this, take out the 0, I should say, or simplify it. That means this is 20 divided by 10, that's 2. So the equation now becomes 1 divided by x cubed y is equal to 2. And so what's being asked is to find the value of this 1 divided by x cubed y. And we have just found that out. 1 divided by x cubed y is equal to 2. So this is now our final answer. Alright. And so that's all for now, and for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting and informative videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.